Hello design lovers. Welcome back to Aesthetic Nest. There's a quiet longing so many of us feel in a small home, a wish for it to be less of a compromise and more of a sanctuary. You look around and see cramped corners, surfaces that feel busy, and a ceiling that somehow seems lower than it is. A tiny space can easily become a source of stress rather than a place of rest. But what if I told you that the secret to breathing space doesn't come from a costly renovation or knocking down walls, but from the very materials you choose to surround yourself with? In today's video, we'll walk through the best natural materials that do exactly that, softening light, quieting noise, and making a modest footprint feel expansive. We'll talk wood that warms without weighing down, stone that soothes rather than shouts, and textiles that invite you to exhale. But more than that, I'm going to share one remarkable material that doesn't just look beautiful. It actively purifies the air you breathe. It's a finish that works silently in the background, and you'll only hear about it here. So stay with me until that reveal. Together, we'll build a palette of natural, breathable surfaces that turn a small home into a deeply restful, elegant haven. Let's begin with the grounding warmth of wood. The grounding warmth of wood. Wood is the heart of a calm interior. In a small home, light-toned woods like ash, birch, or maple reflect light and make rooms feel airy. Use it sparingly but intentionally. A simple livid shelf, a slender dining table, or vertical slatted wall panels that draw the eye upward and create a rhythm without bulk. The key is to avoid heavy, dark timber that can overwhelm a tiny space. Instead, opt for pale oak flooring laid in a herringbone pattern, which adds movement and a sense of expansion. Even a single wooden accent wall finished with a matte, non-toxic hard wax oil can anchor the room without shouting for attention. Don't forget the tactile joy of wood. In a compact home, you interact with surfaces constantly. A hand-oiled birch plywood kitchen counter feels warm under your fingertips and ages beautifully. This quiet patina tells a story, something synthetic laminates can never replicate. It's elegance that grows with time. For tiny storage, built-in wooden niches in the same floor finish create continuity, making the room feel unified rather than a jumble of boxes. the quiet presence of stone. Stone brings a grounding presence that's especially soothing in compact homes. You might think stone is too heavy for a small room, but used in thin, honed slabs, it introduces a subtle, cooling texture that feels luxurious and serene. Picture a slender bathroom vanity top in honed Carrara marble, or a backsplash of gently tumbled limestone. The key is to keep the stone light in color and softly textured, not highly polished. A matte finish absorbs light in a way that feels soft to the eye, reducing visual noise and helping the mind unwind. In a tiny kitchen, a soapstone countertop is a revelation. It's naturally non-porous, develops a beautiful lived-in patina, and its deep grey-green tone pairs beautifully with pale wood cabinets. Despite its solidity, soapstone feels quiet and unpretentious, the antithesis of a shouting, high-maintenance show kitchen. A fresh idea, a single floor-to-ceiling slab of travertine as a room divider, backlit with warm LEDs, becomes a luminous sculpture that defines zones without boxing them in. Soft linen and textile layers. Soft textiles are where a small home gets its soul. Linen, in particular, is the unsung hero of a calm interior. Its slightly rumpled texture instantly relaxes a room because it signals that perfection isn't required. You can breathe here. Use pure linen for window treatments that filter daylight like a gentle cloud. Heavy drapes suffocate a small space, but billowy, unlined linen curtains sway softly with a breeze and blur the boundary between inside and out. They make a studio feel connected to nature, even if your view is just a city wall. On furniture, linen slipcovers in oatmeal or chalky off-white invite you to sink in. The beauty is that they get softer with every wash. In a tight living area, a low-profile sofa dressed in washed linen creates an optical lightness that leather or velvet simply can't match. Layer hemp throws with linen cushions in tonal muted shades, stone, sand, mist. This monochromatic layering adds depth without chaos, a crucial trick to make a small room feel considered and expansive. Breathing walls, clay, lime, and the air-purifying secret. Now let's move to the surface that covers the most area, your walls. Instead of standard paint, consider a clay or lime plaster finish. These natural plasters regulate humidity, absorb odors, and add a subtle, velvety depth that changes with the light. Clay plaster has an earthy, imperfect quality that softens every corner. In a small bedroom, a warm clay accent wall behind the bed replaces the need for a headboard and creates a cocooning effect. Because it's vapor permeable, it helps prevent mold in poorly ventilated bathrooms, a common small space challenge. Lime wash is another exquisite choice. Applied in sweeping, cloud-like strokes, it produces a gentle mottled effect that makes walls seem to float. In a narrow hallway, a pale lime-washed finish reflects light in a shimmering, almost ethereal way, turning a tight corridor into a luminous passage. In a small home with limited ventilation, this breathable finish literally purifies your indoor environment. It's a silent, constant cleanser. No plug, no noise. Just a beautiful matte surface working 24/7. Airy bamboo and rattan. Bamboo and rattan bring an airy sculptural quality that's perfect for small homes. Because they're visually lightweight, they allow the eye to travel through them, preserving sightlines and making the room feel larger. Consider a rattan pendant lamp hung low over a dining nook. Its open weave casts intricate shadows on the ceiling, adding warmth and texture without any physical bulk. In a compact bedroom, a rattan headboard or a woven bamboo room divider creates separation while still letting light flow freely. Bamboo flooring is another excellent option. Strand-woven bamboo is harder than oak and comes in pale, horizontal grains that elongate a narrow room. Pair it with underfloor heating and you get a warm, barefoot-friendly surface that's both sustainable and serene. Floating bamboo ledges nearly vanish against a light wall. Display a few curated ceramics and a trailing plant for a breathing moment that uses zero floor space. Underfoot softness with cork and wool. Cork is a quiet miracle material that's often overlooked. It's naturally antimicrobial, incredibly soft underfoot, and provides acoustic insulation, an enormous blessing in a small apartment where sound bounces off hard surfaces. Use cork tiles on a bedroom floor, or even as a wall covering behind a desk. Its warm, suede-like texture absorbs sound, and adds a cosseting feel. Plus, harvesting cork doesn't harm the tree, making it a truly guilt-free luxury. A hand-knotted, undyed wool rug in a subtle geometric pattern anchors the seating area without overpowering it. Natural oils in wool repel dust and dirt, so it's practical for high-traffic microspaces. Choose a low, tight pile that softens every step without tripping. The art of harmonious combination. The real secret to a calm, elegant small home isn't just picking one hero material, it's how they converse. Pair pale wood with matte stone, linen with rattan, clay plaster with wool. Limit your palette to 3 or 4 natural materials repeated throughout, so the eye rests and the mind settles. Avoid stark contrast in a small space. Instead of a white wall next to dark wood, try a soft lime wash that shares a similar undertone with your oak floor. This tonal continuity erases visual boundaries and tricks the brain into perceiving more square footage. It's a subtle harmony that feels like a quiet exhale. Natural materials are alive. They patinate and breathe. Embrace tiny cracks in a lime plaster wall, the gentle wear on a linen cushion. That's wabi-sabi, the beauty of the imperfect, and it makes a small home deeply human and profoundly restful. I hope this inspires you to bring these materials into your own space. If you enjoyed this journey through natural design, please like and subscribe for more. Until next time, create a home that breathes with you.